Back to disabled and prepping. I'm not sure actually what's going on with Earth Breeze. They were gonna send me one package of each to try, which my first delivery had two of the fragrance free. I thanked them for that, and they said, "Oh no, you were supposed to have one of each." So they sent me out another package of one of each and told me to take the second one of the fragrance free and donate it to a woman's shelter, which I will definitely do when I can get out in spring. And suddenly today, another package arrived with both. So these are ripped due to the package being um, pretty much destroyed. This whole corner was torn off. I tore the rest of it to get it out, but they tore that part there. So yeah, so I will be donating a couple of more. Um, Not these because they're ripped and I don't want to donate those. So I will use these for showing you guys how these work. But I will obviously be donating more because they, like I said, they sent me another package of these before, and you will be seeing the three videos eventually, which this being the third. Um, so uh, I will do as they wish and donate the extras to the woman's shelter. So I just wanted to thank you, Earth Breeze, for sending them again. I don't know what the glitch was, but I'm definitely getting my samples that you were gonna send. So, um, and I'm grateful. And the domestic violence women's shelter is going to be very grateful as well. So that's definitely something that they can use as laundry soap. Um, so yeah, I've been there, and I know that that is one of the things that they do need help with is getting laundry detergent and other cleaning supplies for the ladies. So I will donate the extra ones um, to them. So if you ever see this video, that's where they went to, was the domestic violence women's shelter. And all right, everybody, have a great day. Oh my gosh, I can smell the because the packages are ripped open. I can smell the scents, and it's so good. Um, yes, I can't wait to show you how these work. Uh, all right, everybody, have a great day. God bless. May He bless you to overflowing, and always keep you safe, and your family too. Bye for now.